so just let me be.
LG announced its complete package TV for LG lovers before a month ago. This is a best challengeable TV for starting of 2023. This TV comes with many interesting technologies as we discussing in this video. This A9 Gen 5 AI processor based 4K OLED TV now also available on our lovely platforms like Amazon and Flipkart. You can see the pricing on your screen. The Amazon gives limited time period deals for this TV at price 1,59,990 rupees in India, as well as no cost EMI is also available. On the other platform, you can see the 12 months of no cost EMI plans with the Flipkart Axis Bank credit card as the deduction of 9,583 rupees per month. Flipkart giving 42% off for this panel. You can see the today's deal for this TV on Flipkart at price 1,14,990 rupees for 48-inch panel. LG built this panel with stunning design that look impressive and stunning from every and each angles. LG saying about this panel that you can enjoy pose front to back and left to right, as it seamlessly blends into your decor, which makes your environment more special and life is extraordinary. Round around the edges poses soft and smooth line creates a quite neutral look for a delicate design, which suitable for any interior with cozy fabric finish. So it's very soft in looks. When you look behind your TV, you can see the cable and accessories organizer and two detachable dedicated cable holders over there, which helps you to hide cables and accessories, and also you can hide the wire along pose's leg. This 4K OLED TV have 3840x2160 resolution with pixel dimming up to 600. Also offers a 120Hz of refresh rate with the game optimizer. These interesting panels offers a AI Picture Pro and AI upscaling technology, which gives you a better optimization in color and picture while watching. AI brightness control is given for adjust and control the brightness automatically according to your environment. Also offers the three main technologies like Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10 Pro and Dynamic Tone Mapping Pro, which provide accurate, crisp and natural viewing experience while watching. Filmmaker mode is also there to provide actual picture depth and real watching experience. This TV is not only for watching the contents but also for heavy gaming. There are 5 technologies continuously working in background while the gaming, like Motion Pro, which is a OLED motion, and second one is HGIG mode. HGIG mode stands for HDR Gaming Interest Group. Third one is Picture mode, AI Gaming, and last one is Game Optimizer mode. LG claiming that the biggest brains behind your TV is that processor. LG says A9 Gen 5 AI processor use a deep learning algorithm. The processor reduces noise, restores contents and optimize picture and sound for the best cinematic TV experience with the WebOS. This panel also offers a gaming compatibilities like AMD G-Sync and FreeSync Premium compatibility, perfect black contrast, and 100% of Digital Cinematic Initiative Protocol 3 with HDR and many features. This TV have 3 2.1 HDMI ports in behind, as one is EARC port and 2 USB ports, 40 watts of dual stereo speakers with front firing AI audio, also with Dolby Atmos and LG Sound Sync. So it's never disappoint you while hearing. It gives you the best immersive audio experience while watching the blockbuster content. So let's take a look on some external features that we are not covered in this video.